just feel different, That day when I decided to vlog, it was one of those. The kind of day where the sky is overcast but not gloomy, cloudy but not rainy, and that perfect in between where the air just feels right and everything slows down a little. I usually work from home in my village, surrounded by silence and simplicity. But on this day, I packed my bag, booked an auto, and headed to the office. And somehow, everything about that routine felt magical. The ride itself, like every single time I sit in that auto, I get hit with this wave of reflection. Like, how did I end up here? From being a neat aspirant once, totally unaware of the tech world, to now. Someone who works in an IT office, earns independently, and is slowly building a life of her own. Not in my wildest dreams did I see this coming. Office was quite that day, as usual, like most people work from home. But honestly, that's something I have grown to like. The silence, the space, the view. It feels like my own little world. I finished my work, attended a few calls, and just sat by the window soaking in the calm. And it hit me again. Life rarely goes as planned, but sometimes what's unplanned turns out even better. If you had told me a few years ago, sitting heartbroken over missing my MBBS seat by a single mark, that I would find peace in a completely different path, I wouldn't have believed it. I think that's the magic of this journey. It's not always about reaching the exact destination you imagine. It's about showing up, doing your best, and being open to what unfolds. It's about healing, growing, and evolving. By the time I returned home, I wasn't just tired. I was full of thoughts, emotions, memories, full of quiet pride in how far I have come. So here's to the unexpected paths to becoming something we never even planned. And to every cloudy, calm, beautiful day that reminds us we are exactly where we are meant to be right now. If my story resonated with you, if you're someone still figuring things out, stay with me. I'm sharing more pieces of my journey, especially how I went from preparing for NEET to becoming a data analyst. It's been a winding road, and I know how lonely and confusing that road can feel. So, if you would like to hear more, learn from it, or even just not feel alone, subscribe. I would love to have you here as I keep sharing.